Welcome to the tie and dye class. I'm going to show you how to tie 4 samples. The fabric which is used is a cambric fabric, and this fabric has been thoroughly washed in hot water. Put some soap also and leave the fabric for 1 hour. Wash the fabric thoroughly and then use the fabric for tie and dye. So boil the fabric in a soap solution and then leave it for 1 hour so that any starch finish or any softener finish is removed from the fabric. If there is any starch finish on the fabric will not absorb the dye evenly. Let's see what are the different techniques of folding the fabric and tie and dyeing. So what you can do is you can fan fold the fabric. So make sure that you have even folds. Right. So then fan fold once again. So the way you make a fan. So what you can do is take the thread and tie the thread tightly. And then tie once again in this direction. And some more in the other direction. So the portion which are tied will not receive the dye, and these portions which are the naked portions, these will receive the dye. So you can just put because you have to remove the, so just try to push the loose thread inside. So this is the fan fold for the square. Thank you.